Meron pong mga turo na nagsasabing, oh, yung healing, noong panahon lang yan ni Jesus, wala nang healing ngayon. Amen? Meron po kasing mga ganong katuruan eh. Wala na raw miracle ngayon. That's just in the times of the apostles. That was 2,000 years ago. And it's not happening anymore. Yan po ay mula sa diablo na katuruan. Because the devil doesn't want you to experience the blessing of what Jesus did on the cross. When Jesus died on the cross, it was for your healing. When Jesus died on the cross, it was for your miracle. Yes. When Jesus died on the cross, it was for your salvation. Salvation from all the terrible things of this world. Salvation of your soul, salvation of your body, salvation of your mind from anxiety, depression, suicidal thoughts. When Jesus died on the cross, He did it all for you and for me. And if the devil is saying, wala nang himala, wala nang miracle, wala nang healing, that is a lie from the pit of hell. And so you have to reject that because God is alive. Amen? He continues to do miracle. He continues to heal. He continues to do mighty and wonderful things.